Very good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the list, how to create a list, and what the different what are the different syntaxes we can apply on a list. So first, creating a list with a my list, and we are trying to print a my list. Here, look at here. We I have the x assigned to 5.78, y is assigned to true, and the z is assigned to assign the values from 5 to 9, and I'm trying to print the my list here. Now I run this one. Look at the output screen. So the x is assigned a value 5.78, and the y is assigned a value true, and the z is assigned a value 56789, as we are taking a sequence here. Now look at the type of syntax. Whenever we apply type of built-in function, it will return what type of data we are storing in the my list. In my list, we are storing the data of a list because the list will be created with a list built-in function. Whatever you create by using a list built-in function, that will be considered as a list whenever you apply type of, look at the output stream here at this place. So it is displaying it as a list. Now, another built-in function we are applying on the list is length built-in function. Length of my list, and I'm running this one. The length of my list is 3. Why it is 3 is we are applying x, y, and z. That means 1, 2, and 3. It won't look at how many variables are stored. So it will look at the quantity of the data x, y, and z. So it will display the length as 3. Accessing list elements in the R. So I have a list here with I have 24 and V 5.4 and the Hyderabad. And look at here at the index value 124 is there, at 2 and V is there, at 3 index 3 I have 5.4, in index value 4 I have Hyderabad is stored. Now I am trying to print, I am interested in only an index 1. I want to print only the index 1 value. This is the syntax. In the printf, I need to specify the index value, whatever I want to print. Now, at index value 1, I have stored 24. Whenever you type list of 1, it will display 24. Now, I want to print a fourth element. Look at here, the my fourth element is Hyderabad. Hyderabad will be printed. Now we can modify, delete, or we can replace by using the index in the list. And now I am trying to modify the list elements here. So I have the same list, the previous list, and I'm trying to change the value of index 2 into a different value. Initially it was Anvi, now I want to change it to Kathy. So I will run this one. In the index value 2, it will replace the name Anvi and the cat with the Kathy. And now I am trying to print the value list of 1. Instead of Anvi, in my index value 2, Kathy is stored. And the remaining data is same. Index 1, 24, index 2, Kathy, index 3, 5.4, index 4, I have Hyderabad here. And likewise, we can remove the elements in a list. So, want to remove the elements in a list, you have to use a minus in before the index value. Look at here. I want to remove the element fourth element. So, in before the 4, I have to place a minus. Then that fourth element will be removed. Whenever you try to print that one, the fourth element previously it was Hyderabad. The fourth element is deleted. Only it will display the index value up to the index value 3 only display. So we can find the length of a list by using the length function, and we can print that one. Uh, we can print that one by using the cat function. So concatenation function. So it will display the total elements and length of the list is 4. So total elements and 4 is displayed. So we can have a loop, we can run a loop for reading the elements in a list. Now look at the loop. I have a for loop here. The for loop is reading items is the list I have created. Item is a thing. Item is a variable I am assigning. For item in items, I am printing the item here. So the values, it will read all the values, and for loop will read all the values till the values are completed, and it will print the result. This is about a list.